So we take those harmonies, those words, this life, this light, into a moment of mindfulness for our practice this morning. I invite you to just get comfortable as you are, wherever you are in this sanctuary or at home. And just take a deep inhale and a relaxing exhale with the intention of grounding. Take a moment to acknowledge and recognize the power of a collective meditation, the power of going into the silence together. In this community, in this sanctuary, on these grounds, at this time and space. And in each home where people are gathering right here and right now together in consciousness. The activity and the presence of those who are online. And now extend that acknowledgement to the sanctuaries around the world right now. In whatever way they may pray and engage in a spiritual practice. Connect in acknowledgement with the heart of the intention to be present for the fullness of God. The intention to listen, to receive, to let go of fear, concern, judgment, discord, pain. We feel that together in this now moment. Acknowledging that where two or more are gathered, there is the Christ presence in the midst. The anointed, the awakened one. The oneness demonstrated in Jesus the Christ, the master teacher. The oneness demonstrated in you. The oneness known in the hearts of those who throughout time have dedicated their lives to the will and the work and the spirit of truth. The spirit that exists within each one of us. The spirit that binds us. And on this we meditate in the silence. by the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Namaste.